Here we have one of our bigger pumps. We're going to show you how to rotate the handle and the nozzle output. So you want to flip it on the back, and you can see a little notch right here. Take a flat bladed screwdriver and you wedge it between the pump motor housing and the handle housing. Just give it a little tap. It's going to be a little tight. Just wiggle it in there and just gently pry it, and it'll come loose. Work it off. So it's away. Then you just set it right here and pull it off. So that part's off, and this gives you access to all the screws. You take those out with a Phillips screwdriver and you loosen those one by one, and you can change the direction of your output nozzle. Set your screws aside and make sure you don't lose those. You see all of our 5 screws have been removed. You just set it back over here, and you're going to be able to rotate it. You can break it apart. You see the O-ring right there, and you're going to line up the other next set of screws. So now you can change your angle, and you put your screws back in. Now once you have your desired location of your exit nozzle, you can remember that there's 3 different notches that give you a little bit of fine tuning when you put this back on the pump housing. That's going to give you a little bit of degree of change. Now that you have your desired angle, get your 5 screws. Make sure this hole is lined up with the thread insert below, and I like to start them by hand first. Make sure they're all threaded. Then I can go back and tighten them up with my screwdriver. Just have to be snug, not super tight. It's not going to come apart. Just a quick little tightening up. Then we'll get the handle put back on. Got one more screw to go. Just be snug, nothing super tight. Everything's good. Then we're going to put our handle back on to our desired location. Here's the notch. It goes into one of these 3 different notches. So remember, you have, this is the center one, then you have one on each side. You can fine tune the angle of your output nozzle. So here's your notch. You need to line up with one of the 3 right here. And so put the face down with your debris screen and line up which notch you want, and gently just push it back on this way. I put it back to original, but you can have it at any angle you need. Here's the notch you need to line up to one of these 3 notches in the handle housing. So we're going to go for this one right here and set it down this way, and you can actually watch it go in. Just fine tune it. You can see right there. And that's the difference in degrees.